Lay your head down, lay your head down. We are working, working. Hello beautiful people, it's your girl here. I'm Mara's cooking tutorial. So today, first of all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today, like you're seeing, my hair is looking so messy. So I've decided, instead of doing just cooking and all that, I decided to be also doing natural hair tutorial of what I use on my hair and all that. Please excuse the noise. So I've decided to be doing multiple things on my YouTube channel so that I can make it fun, not just one thing or two things. So with my hair today, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and do all the good things there. So like I was saying about my hair, I'm going to be showing you guys all the products that add to this beautiful natural hair. Can you feel me? Can you see? Even though I did the braid on my hair, you know, like too much braiding and all that, like when they pull your edges and all that, so I lost some of the hair. You guys can see it. I don't know if it's zoomed enough for you guys to see. I have no hair here. They are growing, so you need to see it before. I need to find the photo before and after and all that. So I'm going to be showing you guys what I've been using that's making this beautiful hair looking so gorgeous. And I'm going to wash it. I'm going to take you guys along to see. Like, I went and combed it so you guys can see. And do you guys know the most annoying thing about natural hair? Oh, is this. This thing came up from my hair. Can you believe it? Oh my god. Oh my god. So guys, I'm not gonna be sharing the ingredients I'm going to be using, like the products, because this video was not sponsored by anyone, so obviously I'm not gonna be sharing it. But if you really want to see it, you can comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share, and comment again so that I can share the secrets with you all, because I know we all want to do that challenge. Lay your head down, lay your head down, we are working. So guys, this is part of the product. Hey, but I'm not sharing it. I'm not. It's not sponsored by anybody. So I went ahead and mixed it. Like the products, I have like 4 different type of things that I mixed inside this bowl, like you're seeing right now. And look at it. So I mixed 4 different things in here that is really good for your natural hair, and I've been using it, and you guys can see the results. My hair is looking so tantalizing. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this on my hair, like line by line, if it's possible. I can see those lines, but I'm gonna make sure I apply it well and then massage my hair all over my hair with this, and I'll be right back with you all. But let me show you guys how I'm gonna do it first. So I'm gonna be taking it small like this, and then be applying it on my hair line by line, but obviously I'm gonna get a comb to underline it and share my hair, like cut it and then apply it line by line, one by one. It's gonna take a long time, so I'll be back, guys. Left this one behind so I can show you guys how I apply this on my hair. So there's no mirror yet, so I'm gonna be keeping it here and then apply it on my hair. It's gonna be cutting in, massage it, rub it and massage it. Make sure it gets inside very well. So like this, already rub it all over here, so I'm just gonna use the last one and put it all over my hair, all over. Yes, and then massage it to make sure it get everywhere. You all can see that koi. So let me see. Then after this, after massaging your hair, rubbing all those, put some shower cap on. Then I'm gonna leave it like, excuse the noise. So I'm going to wear this shower cap on my hair like 30 minutes or 40 minutes. Let it steam. Hold on for the. So after massaging my hair with this lovely product, so I'm gonna wet my shower cap and let it stay like 30 minutes or 40 minutes. Let it steam together. Make sure you get all over your hair. Then I can get over this coil. I know you guys have seen it. You feel me? So guys, back to business. So guys, I'm gonna now put this cap on my hair. And then I like to pack my hair together like this, and then just put the cap on. And leave in there, let it steam. And I'm gonna be, after 30 minutes or 40 minutes, I'm gonna be back and show you guys. Hello guys, I'm done washing my hair, and I made a video about washing my hair, but I don't know what happened. I'm gonna show you guys. So I won't be adding it because it's spotted, because my ring light was showing on the video, so it actually spotted. And I'm gonna be using this cream on my hair. It makes my hair soft after I finish washing it and all that. I already applied some already. So after applying this cream, I use it to massage my hair and all that, and then I'm gonna comb it. You guys can see. Oh, that feels good. Just like I said, I wanted to share that product with you guys, but it's not sponsored, so there's no need of doing it. But you guys, I can share it to you guys. Once you like, subscribe and comment down below, and I'm gonna share the secret with you all. So I'm gonna go ahead and comb it. I think I prefer combing off camera because I'm tender-headed. I don't want to cry and all that. But ever since I started using this product, I can comb my hair so easily without crying, obviously. You guys can see how it goes through. Once I apply them, It makes my hair softer and all that. And my hair, I know natural hair can be so shrinking after pouring water on it, but mine shrink like there's no tomorrow. Hi, you guys can see that long hair that you saw from the beginning is now like this. But can you see the afro hair? Oh, this feels so good. Like the cream, like it has a mint inside, so the mint feels like I applied rub all over my face, but it feels soft. I can feel the fresh hair on my hair. Guys, this is the final look. I'm going to twist my hair before I go to sleep so that it won't shrink more. And also, but take a look at my hair. You all can see that afro hair. I'm going to twist my hair when I'm done. That's gonna be the end of this video, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment below down, and click the notification button to get notified every time I post a new video. Please help your girl and subscribe. Hit the subscribe button, click the notification button to get notified every time I post a new video, and more video is gonna be coming out very soon. Like, I can feel my hair. See that natural hair? Thank you so much for watching. Peace out.